ChatGPT is a powerful tool that goes beyond being just a language model. It can be utilized to build websites, applications, and even businesses. This claim is backed by the creator who built and sold a business using OpenAI's platform. This video aims to guide viewers on how to leverage ChatGPT and its models to achieve similar success. The video is structured into 3 parts. The first part will cover the real-world example of the business the creator built and sold. This section will give viewers an idea of what is possible using ChatGPT. The second part will provide a step-by-step guide on how to use ChatGPT and its tools and models to build websites, applications, and businesses. This section will be useful for those who want to explore the full potential of ChatGPT. The third and final part of the video will be more technical, covering the behind-the-scenes look at what it takes to write the actual code and implement it into one's own application or website. The video creator has also included 3 additional resources that viewers can use if they feel stuck or want more information. The first video is an introduction to what ChatGPT is and how it works. The second video is a crash course on using ChatGPT, including prompts and getting desired outputs. The third video is a behind-the-scenes look at the business the creator built called Enhance UI. Overall, this video is a great resource for those who want to learn more about ChatGPT and how it can be used to build successful businesses. The creator's real-world example and step-by-step guide provide a practical approach to using ChatGPT, making it accessible even to those without technical experience. The first part of the video discusses how ChatGPT is not just a model for chatting with an AI, but can also be used for problem-solving and creating business opportunities. Although it was previously restricted, it is now available and free for anyone to use. And OpenAI's models are available for building ideas for your own business or hobby. The original idea behind using ChatGPT was to solve coding issues, which led to the creation of Enhanced AI, a chatbot that could answer developers' questions. However, after the release of GitHub Copilot, which was specifically designed for coding, the focus was shifted towards content writing. A content editor was created that utilized OpenAI's models, which included features such as fixing grammar and writing paragraphs. This business was listed on a website called MicroAcquire, where it was sold for $30,000. In the second part of the video, instructions on how to utilize ChatGPT and OpenAI's models to build a startup business or for personal use are provided. The video is divided into 2 parts. The first part is how to use ChatGPT in business and personal life, and the second part focuses on the more advanced models that ChatGPT is based on. To get the most out of ChatGPT, it is best to provide specific prompts that are code-related, such as building a website or creating a JavaScript function to track mouse movement. In addition, ChatGPT can be used for recruitment purposes by scanning resumes and identifying key criteria.